Zaki, start.
Next.
After this, Ayo Ella and Pardo Haname.
For this bout, 14 to 15 years old, intermediate kata boys, Miguel Saint Alexis, Anga, Perator Brian Paul Au. This is for the final bout.
Coaches of the 10 and 11 years old intermediate kata boys, Leon Chamergel, EMMAC.
Next
Action
bout,
1, Serdon APS, GTS Cebu, Institution Frank Erans, GPAN, PTE Pohol, Trapper, Lauter Earth, Sunburn, EOK, Sintorio Cebu, Ibanez, Henry, EOK, Sintorio Cebu, Fernandez, Neil, Matthew, SKS, GTS, Dumagen, Len, Nabil, GTS Cebu City, Alvarez, Jacob, Andre, ESK, Cebu, please come here, coaches at the Tanami 3.
10 to 11 years old, open kata boys, please proceed to Tatamen 3, Pereira, Rafael, Mariano, Anga, Liberal, Jefferson, Jailin, Au. Please proceed to Tatamen 3. Thank you. Please prepare Medalya Alon Anga. Please prepare Georgia Shanea Aka, Lugakit Shina Au. Please proceed to Tatame 4. Winner Aka, Legal State Alexis Gold, Perator Ryan Paul Au.
Please
Legal
prepare.
State Alexis Gold, Perator Ryan Paul Silver. Please proceed to the awarding stage. Thank you. For the championship bout, Medalya Alon Aka versus Cortez John Marie Au. Medalya Alon, to the mat now please. Cortez John Marie. First bout for 12 to 13 years old, intermediate kata girl. Orfano A. Justin Aka, Mamang Lishang Andrele Au. For 8 to 9 years old novice kata girls, please prepare. Georgia Lugakit.
Winner, Katli Zaki from AKKR. Next bout, Ayo Ella, raise your hand, Aka. And Pardo Hana, start.
First bout, Orfano A. Justin. Raise your hand. Orfano.
Please prepare 89 years old intermediate kata boys. Please prepare the stage right now. Aka, vocalist George Gavin from AAK Pangasinan. Au Amara Jeno from JS PCB. Au Pakumbaga Jeno from SKIF Philippines. Aka Veronica Grace JP from AOK Chitorio Cebu. Au Olivares John Biggs ASK Cebu. Au Cinco Sebastian Carlisle from ASKS DBS Cebu. Aka Grima Aiden from SKIF Philippines. Au Kapur Clarios from Robert